Let it snow, let it snow. Hi Wunder Citizens, today we are making frozen science with Elsa.
But because we are in Malaysia where it's summer all year round,
We are going to use science to make pretend snow with a diaper.
What? A diaper?
Yes, it is. Let's make snowper. Snow from diaper.
Welcome to Wunderworld. Let's go, wonderful!
To make snow, we need one diaper, water, and baking soda. Did you know inside every diaper there's a special fluffy stuff that can hold a lot of water? Let's see it turn into snow. First, take a clean diaper and put it in a bowl of water. Here we go. Wow. Now let's watch it as the fluffy part inside gets bigger and bigger. Now carefully open the diaper. And scoop out the fluffy snow. Into our bowl. Wow, it's like a magical snow and this snow won't melt. Let's touch it. It feels a little wet and squishy, right? Now let's mix this with baking soda to get a drier and firmer texture we can shape, just like snow.
It looks just like snow.
Yes! Ooh. That's so wonderful! Professor Beary, can you explain to us the science behind diapers?
Inside every diaper, there's a special magical powder called sodium polyacrylate.
Whoa, that's a big word! Sodium polyacrylate. Let's repeat that again, shall we? Sodium polyacrylate.
It's really just a special powder that loves to drink water. When it gets wet, it grows big and fluffy, just like snow. Isn't that cool?
Yes! Now that we have our snow, let's have some fun. We can make Olaf. It's time to get creative.
Let's play with our soft, fluffy snow just like the real thing. Let's use these cookie cutters to make shapes in the snow. Look, it's a star. And here is a heart shape. Which shape do you like best, wonderful? Ooh, and we can also make snowballs. Squish, squish, roll, roll. I have an idea. Why don't we turn this snowball into Olaf by adding a smaller snowball on top? Ta-da!
Yay!
Look, it's Olaf!
Wow!
We learned some new words today. Let's read them together.
Snow, duck, diaper, fluffy, water, ice, melt, science, bear, big. Snow, duck, diaper, fluffy, water, ice, melt, science, bear, big. Snow, duck, diaper, fluffy, water, ice, melt, science, bear, big.
Come closer, Wunder Citizen. It's Wunder story time. Yay!
This is Eve. This is Duck. Duck sees snow. Duck makes snowballs. Eve helps Duck. Duck laughs. So much fun!
Thank you for reading with us. Subscribe and follow to enter Wunderworld. Bye bye, Wonderful!
Welcome to